So what is up, Turbo fam? We are back with another video on Turbo, and today we're going to be taking another look at what Turbo has been doing recently. So again, we know it did start doing well once again, but it is kind of slowing down. So we're still going to be taking a look at the charts and at what we could see next for Turbo. So before we do start the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen looking at Turbo, still above that 1 cent range. We are about 8% up in the daily, and if we take actually weekly, we were 8% up, and in the daily we are down about 1.1%. We did go actually lower all the way to 0.2098. So we did dip below that 1 cent range, but have come back. Market cap 656 million and volume at 75 million once again. So we can see it has gotten lower once again. A market cap below that 700 and even volume down below the $100 million mark that Turbo usually does. And if we do take a look at the website, we could see Turbo is one of the first meme coins created with the help of AI. We talked about the website a bunch of times on this channel, but still this feature is one we regularly talked about. It is the 115 plus spot exchange listings. Again, no small thing for any meme coin to have. Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and all of these other exchanges. If any project has this many spot exchange listings, even with the world's top exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and all of these other exchanges, it definitely means there is potential. And it most definitely is not a scam, because these companies know what they're doing. It's not easy to get on these exchanges, and if Turbo did, it definitely has something behind it definitely has a reason. And if we do take a look at the Twitter, 105k followers, and we could see they're giving away, raffling off 23,000 Turbo tokens to 6 lucky winners. 23,000 Turbo tokens, how much is that? So that's about $230 to 6 lucky winners. So you could join this giveaway right here, so definitely do make sure. And again, there's a tons of art. There's winners 10k Turbo for plus a Turbo NFT. There's 5k Turbo, there's 1k Turbo. A lot of giveaways going on with Turbo right now, so do make sure to join in. Who knows, you might get the chance to win. So definitely is something really huge. So a lot happening with the Turbo community as well. If we do head it back to, and let's take a look at the chart. So everything is regular, nothing seems out of the ordinary. We can see the chart is going as usual. We don't see crazy big green or red candles. If we do take a look at the chart, it's currently like kind of consolidating sideways, moving kind of like this right now. So let's just look at what's doing, and that's what it just recently is doing. But again, looking at the long term, still looks very bullish. we've had the pumps. Oh, okay, we had the pumps, and then we did dump, and then we had another new all-time high, and then we dumped again, new all-time high, and dumped again. So we did dump and kind of coming back right now. We can see we are still up a lot back from what we did our lowest. So if we take a look, even at the current price, we are up around 44%, and if we do take a look at the top, we were up around 70% from the lowest, so which is again still pretty good. So we will most likely be recovering once again, because once we do a crazy big daily candle, we definitely do see a couple of days slowing down. So that's what's happening with Turbo right now in the daily. So nothing to be scared of, nothing out of the ordinary, definitely just part of what the markets do. Okay, if we take a look at what the community is saying, 92% is bullish. So if you still have conviction on this coin, buy gradually on the support block, or buy after breaking through the resistance line. Target 20% plus. We can see these are the bars right here, and if it definitely breaks above, it will most likely be creating a new all-time high. So looking very forward to that as well. Let's head over to the latest comments. Turbo is ready to explode, 0.2 cents coming. about to cross up very soon on the stochastic RSI for the 4-hour. It might be confirmed later today or tomorrow. We could see we are about to hit a reversal, and that definitely means we will now be going to the upside. A lot of signals will confirm that coming very soon as well. Again, some people are also calling it a scam. Weekly chart is so bearish, taking how Turbo is a scam, but again, that's their own personal opinion. I do not provide financial advice, nor do the people in the comment section, so do make sure to do your own research first before you get into any of these meme coins and any way you invest your money. So do make sure to do your own research. And again, a lot of people saying the coin already done enough, 18,000% plus. Now the distribution phase started. I am sorry for those people who bought at 1.2 cents or higher. You are officially bag losers. Again, even if you bought at 1.2 cents, you are less than 20% down, which again, looking at in the crypto world is not a lot, but still looking at how much potential Turbo has even in the long-term charts. I know it is up a lot, but we all know every coin is up by thousands and possibly even hundreds and thousands of percent. So it is no big deal in the crypto space for a coin to be already up, and a lot of people are also bullish on this coin as well, which again is definitely really good for the community. It is definitely active out here. They definitely post regularly, and a lot of things going on with the Turbo community overall. So it is one of the better communities out there. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take a look at Turbo, what it has been doing recently. Again, just cooling off a little bit after it did a pretty decent pump in the previous couple of days, but still, again, overall long term is still crazy potential. So definitely do make sure to stay tuned to this channel for more updates on Turbo. If you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.